Hello students, good morning everyone. Yes, in this class we are going to discuss about another poem of your first PUC English, that is 11th poem that was The Old Woman, which was written by Arun Kolatkar. Before going to discuss about the poem and also poet, let me reveal you that the weightage of this poem was 5. Again, they will ask you 1 mark question from this poem and also 4 marks from this poem. Totally 5 marks weightage in your annual examination. See, the old woman means when we look over to the title, we thought that maybe it is related to an old, means old woman, means old generation. Like this way, we thought when we reveal about thought about the title of the poem. Before going to discuss about that, let me look over to the Arun Kolatkar. His age from 1932 to 2004. See, he is an Indian writer and also he is a bilingual writer, means a multilingual writer, where he translated Marathi works into English. So that is why he is considered as a bilingual, means not sticking to one language. Bilingual means multi-languages are considered as a bilingual languages. Bilingual languages. See, he was educated from Mumbai, where he was worked as a graphic artist. Initially, he worked as a graphic artist, where he works as a graphic artist, and also he is a winner of Commonwealth Poetry Prize, and also he is contributed as a Kavi. And see, the present poem, The Old Woman, which was taken from Jejuri, it is a collection of poems. Jejuri is the collection of poems. This old woman, which was the old woman, which was taken from Jejuri, the collection of poems. See, this is about the poet Arun Kolatkar. He is an Indian writer, where he also won the prize in Commonwealth for his poetries. He is a best known poet where he written so many poems. This poem, which was taken from Jejuri, see his age from 1932 to 2004. See, this is about your Arun Kolatkar. He is also a bilingual poet. He is also a bilingual poet. See, as I already told you, when we thought about the old woman, we thought that it may be something related to old woman, means our old generation. Maybe. See, before going to discuss that, let me discuss you that what fascinates when you visit tourist places. Is that landscape? Is that building? Is that language? Is that the way they behave to you? See, these are all the effects we fascinate when we visit to the tourist places. See, when we visit to the place, maybe there may be the cultural difference we can see, traditional difference, and also language and their food habit, and also the mannerism. See, all these are considered as a different cultures, which were following from one place to another ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಫ್ಯಾಸಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ದೇವರ, is that the god you fascinated, or temple or tower? See, in spite of all this, we observe the beggars before entering to the temple. See, in the beginning of the temple we observe the beggars. See, as we look over that, we should understand the poverty which they were facing. Here also the old man, see, which is depicting you not only the poverty and also the condition of the beggar. The old woman, she is a beggar, but also the heritage and also the old woman's heritage. Heritage which the land she lived. See, heritage means her culture, tradition. See, as she is going to depict you how the culture is collapsing, how the heritage is collapsing. See that how the modern people are living in this modern society ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. See, the old woman, it is this poem is considered as a triplet. What is mean by triplet? 3 lines stanza poem. This poem is considered as a triplet, where you observe 3 lines stanza. Those are considered as a triplets. See, as I told you, this is about the old woman, where she gives much importance to the heritage and also replica of our old generation, who are giving much more importance to the tradition, culture, and also highly they give much importance to the ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿದೆ. ಶಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಈವಿಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಸಿ, ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನರೇಷನ್. Where the old woman is a narrator, you are observing old woman, she is going to reveal you about what she is feeling. See, the old woman grabs hold of your sleeve, she hold it in a tight way, hold it. You refers to here, your means you refer to tourist. You refers to tourist. See, an old woman grabs hold of your sleeve and tags along when a tourist or a visitor visited to the tourist place. Here the tourist place was a horseshoe shine. It is a temple in the Jujuri temple town, and Jujuri, which comes in Maharashtra. See, this is a temple where the visitor, a tourist visited to the place. Here the old woman grabs hold of a tourist sleeve and takes her along. She wanted to takes him along with her, and she reveals that she will take you to Harshashushain, where she was taking to Harshashushain. It is a temple which comes in Jujuri from Maharashtra. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಜುಜೂರಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಬಂದಂಥ ವಿಸಿಟರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ದ Harshashushain, the temple of Maharashtra. See, takes along, she wants a 50 paisa coin. How much she wants? She wants only 50 paisa coin. Paisa. She not only wants hundreds, thousands, 10,000s rupees. Only how much she wants? She wants only 50 paisa. See, for this 50 paisa, which is very precious to her, 50 paisa is considered as a very precious to her. She was not taking much more than 50 paisa. She wants only 50 paisa for what? Her service. What was her service? The service of guide. She was acting as a guide there. For that purpose, for that service, she wants 50 paisa coin. 50 ಪೈಸಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ 50 ಪೈಸಾ, ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೀಶಿಯಸ್ ಟು ಹರ್. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? 50 ಪೈಸಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂಥ ವಿಸಿಟರು 50 ಪೈಸಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ. Before going to explain about the importance of Harshashushain, she will never let you go. That was her capabilities, her capacity, where she stands alone for her heritage. Alva, see, she wants a 50 paisa coin, and she is revealing that she says she will take you to Harshashushain. Where she was taking you? She was taking you to the Harshashushain, where it was in Jujuri, which comes in one of the temple town at Maharashtra. See, the Harshashushain is a place where a horseshoe was shaped, the depression in rock about the Khandoba king. ಖಂಡೋಬಾ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥವನು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಷಶೂಷೈನ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ಹಾರ್ಷಶೂನ ಶೇಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಪ್ಲಿಕಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇನ್ ರಾಕ್. ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವಳು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ by hook or crook, she wants to reveal about the temple town. She wants to reveal you about the heritage and culture that he is revealing to you. It is Harshashushain. See, you have seen it already, as you are revealing to the old man that I am already seen. I had already seen that. It is not. It is already seen by me. Now I won't. But even though she will never let you go, she hobbles along her. She hobbles. Hobbles means kuntodu. She hobbles along. She is lame. ಕುಂಟ್ಕೊಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳವಳು. ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಟನ್ಸ್ ಹರ್ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಆನ್ ಹರ್ ಶರ್ಟ್. She never let you go. Before revealing about the temple, she never let you go from her. She won't let you go. You know how old women are? They stick to you like a burr. See, the old woman was like a burr. She was very old. We are not able to imagine her age also. That much of in that age she was giving a service to the society. Can't we think that we are very lazy fellows? That is why she gives a strong message also. Even that age, what she is doing? She is working and also giving a service for the society, and by that earning a living. That much of capabilities we see here. See, she won't let you go. She is like a burr, means ಪೀಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಪೀಡೆ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ ಅವಳು, ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. She never let you go. She never let you go. So they stick to you like a burr. See, it is revealing that about the helpless condition of a woman, where the tourist is behaving like a lack of sympathy. He doesn't have any sympathy at all. That is why he is behaving like a monster. As I told you, even though he is behaving like a monster, she never let him go. Before going to reveal about the importance of the place, she never going to let the tourist go. See, you turn around, face her with an air of finality. Means put an end for that what she was doing. He wanted to put an end for that air of finality. Means he want to put a full stop of the action which was doing by her. See, you want to turn around and face her. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಏರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈನಲ್ಟಿ refer to put an end for that phrase what she was doing. You want to end the phrase means tamashi. He thought that she was doing a joke with him. That is why he wants to put an end for that. He turns around. He wants to leave from her. That is why he is revealing that I already seen that our shoe shine. It does not matter for me. Like this way he was revealing. ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಶೂ ಶೈನ, ನನಗದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಡ. ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 50 ಪೈಸಾ. Without explanation, she never take that 50 paisa. That is why she takes him along with him and reveal about the importance of that place. She never want thousands and also hundreds, only 50 paisa. Even though after the service she wants that 50 paisa. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ದಲೇ ಅವನಿಗೇನು ಹೇಳ್ದಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದಾನೆ 50 ಪೈಸಾನು ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ಆ 50 ಪೈಸಾನ ಅವಳು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ಲು ಅವಳು. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಹರ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ ಡೂ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ wretched as these. Wretched means very bad. Wretched. She is doing bad thing here. You thought that she is revealing to the tourist that I am doing very bad to you. What else this woman can do for me? This is a very bad thing she is doing. But she is doing the right thing in promoting the heritage, culture, tradition, whatever the situation occurs to her, the situation which was faced by her, and she wanted to reveal the heritage and also transform to the person where she was holding. What when you hear her say, what else can an old woman do on hills? This temple is in hills in Jujuri. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಳಿಗೆ? ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಆ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು? He is arrogant and also lack of sympathy towards the old woman. See, do you understand? See, you look right at the sky, clear through the bullet holes. Here, bullet holes refer to her eyes, old woman's eyes. Old woman's eyes. See, she has for her eyes. See, when you look over to the eyes of old woman, they are compared to bullet holes. Means how much they have a hole, means which is representing the socio-economic status of our society. Socio-economic status, where we can see loopholes. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಂದಕವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವಳ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ನರೇಟರು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. Observed her with his keen-hearted eyes. He observed her eyes and also observed her skin. Next part. See, and as you look on the cracks that begins around her eyes spread on her skin. As he observed her eyes, then he observed the skin where he seen the cracks that was spread on her eyes and which was on to the body. That cracks symbolizes the loopholes of the society. What was that cracks revealing you? Those cracks were revealing you about the cracks which are in society. We are not able to clean with us. We are living in a modern society. See, and the hills crack, the temples crack, and the sky falls. See, these are all the indication of everything falls apart. Even though everything falls apart, woman does not matter. For these old women, it does not matter for her, like the old woman where she is having a cracks on her skin which was spread beyond her face to the body, like the same way which was spread to the hills and also temples, which was spread to the temples, which is revealing that the cracks of our civilization. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಒಂದು ಏನನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ನಾಶವನ್ನ ಇವಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನರೇಟರ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಕೊಲಾಟ್ಕೋರು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗೋಳು, ಆದರೆ ಇವಳು ಸಾಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ನ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಳು she stands alone for her culture and tradition. She is like a burr for that tourist. Even though whatever the matter, she wants to reveal to the tourist about the importance of that place where she was come from. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದಳು, ಅವಳು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರೋ ನಾಡಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್, ದ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ everything was falling now. Where we are living in a modern society, we don't know about the values, tradition, culture. These are all the indication and strong imagery of an old woman which is revealing us. See how they are cracking, how they are falling. Sky falls means how they are falling with a plate glass clatter, means with a shatter like a ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚೂರು ಚೂರು, ಒಂದು ಗಾಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಚೂರು ಚೂರಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮುರಿದೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುರಿದೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ shatterproof crane underline, it is an ugly old woman ಹತ್ರ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ she stands like a round degradation. See who stands alone? She is standing alone to save her culture and also save her tradition. She wants to reveal to the, even though how much of the problems she was facing, it was a second matter, but by hook or crook, in a day she wants to reveal at least one person about the heritage and also importance of the Horseshoe Temple. ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆ ರೀತಿ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕಾದರೂ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮನೋಭಾವದಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತವಳು, ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದವಳು, ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಿದರ್ಶನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್, ಫೈನಲಿ ದ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ become a self-esteem and aware of the things which was aware about the things which was revealing by the old woman. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ ರಿಯಲೈಸಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ರಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಇದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅವಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪಾಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಶೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ he feels ashamed. Even though in that age, old age, she was doing her service. Why can't we? We are still not listening to that person. At least we don't have the patience to listen to the words by old woman. ಆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳೋವಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ದ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿವೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್. ಏನೇನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್ which was faced by the old woman. Next, she is offering the service. She is offering a service, not she is begging. Even though she is a beggar, she was not begging. She was begging. Even though she is begging, not for the sake of living but for her service. Keep it in mind. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವಳು ಇವೊಂದು ಬೆಗ್ಗರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅವಳ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಅವಳ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಪಾಡಿಗಲ್ಲ. And also see the poet here meet two cultures. Poet meets two cultures. ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್? The new world tourist. Secondly, ancient Indian woman. And also the poem describes you about the lack of sympathy of tourist, where he is a very arrogant fellow, and also the poem revealing you about the world's poverty. Here the poem is revealing you also the world's poverty, and also we can see the hardship of woman, where she can face hardship of woman, and also the socio-economic condition of the society. Socio-economic condition of the society, and the old woman who stands alone for her culture and also tradition, and in spite of even though she has a poverty, she never begged for that. She was begging for the purpose of culture, tradition, and also the heritage. See, these are all the key points. And before going to end the session, see, this poem also gives a strong message to the modern society who don't know the values of our culture, and also revealing about the destruction of our civilization. See, destruction of our civilization. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಗರಿಕತೆಯ ಅಂತ್ಯವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ವುಮನ್ನು ಅವಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವಳ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಡೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವರಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಫನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. We don't want to make her realize about the place, importance of place, and about his history, about his culture, about his heritage. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ it is about your old woman. After watching the video, see, your task is to read the poem once or twice in your textbook and note down the key points where what I have written on the blackboard. Afterwards, write down the comprehension questions which are on page number 99 and also 100. Page number 99 and 100. If you have any doubts regarding this poem, please WhatsApp to me I hope you all understood this poem. Thank you.